know the sales are going to be there.
Right.
Now we become the provider for people.
Yes.
So, and this has been a growing trend in the janitorial industry in different companies that I've been studying. Again, there's this company in Canada that's been growing like wildfire. They don't have employees. They subcontract. They partner with existing companies, and so they have the conversation. You know, how much money do you want to make? We know how to get sales. How much money do you want to make? How much business do you want to take on? Then whatever the partnership agreement. The janitorial company handles the sales, then they subcontract it.
And the labor work, yeah. That's called co-op. You co-op. So now what we could do is that same mindset, call a few people, listen, like when I tell to a client, I say, what's your biggest problem? Sales, okay. So if I can help your sales, that means I help your cash flow, your revenue, right? One helps the other, right? Okay, so you call a company and say, listen, what are you finding difficult in this industry right now? Do you have jobs? Are you looking for more work? Do you have enough people? You ask the question. Listen, they're gonna say, why are you asking? Well, the fact is, I don't believe in competing with people. I believe in cooperating. You see, BZBee cleaning is not just janitorial. That's all we do. But we're about building profitable relationships, whether it's with a commercial building or someone that's in our industry. Now, what we're lacking and we're looking for help, we're having a hard time getting good people. Sales, we could do all day long. You got power. Listen, but I have some work that I don't have people. So I'm looking to partner with somebody, or at least for this one project, that they could service it. Do you have people that need more jobs? How would you like to take this on? I have a project for you. Blah, 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 blah. Then they may teach you how to hire people. You know, something like that. And listen, right now, what I lack is people. Commercial buildings, I get all the... They're probably worrying about getting commercial buildings, right? But they got the people and not enough jobs. So you find that out. Now the problem is, do you do single families? Do your people clean single family? Well, I have some single family. I got a bank that's gave me 15 properties, and I'm hiring people for just a few days. Then you start, boom, right? Still selling. You know what I mean? So that's a good idea. That's another thing. All that has to do with selling. And all it has to do is with the phone. It's not a lot of physical labor. It's just about getting on it. It doesn't change anything that I do. I'm on the phone, right? All damn day. So, okay. So I know, like when I gotta cold call from this time to this time, and I gotta do follow calls from this time to this time, and I gotta close from this time to this time. It's still phone call. So at the end, I can say, okay, the goal is let's get a bank for this day. Okay, now I gotta call banks. Okay, let's see the properties. I know what the process is to do that. It's actually easier to speak to a vice president of a bank than it is the administrator, the general manager, to find out about the cleaning. It just is, already in my experience. Okay, now we need to call small businesses about potentially partnering up. So what you want to do is these two things right now could be the solution to your problem. Because if we know we could get these properties and we could get a commercial person that is willing to do that and they have the labor, then I could be aggressive as an MF. Let's go. Right? Because now you don't have to worry about employees. Now that'll give you more schedule time where you can schedule time better to start interviewing your own people, but you're still getting work done, you're still getting revenue. At the end, your business is generating business, right? That's the business mind. The cleaning is just how you generate the business. So that's another way to do it. But you see how your mind is thinking business now. Just that right there is a good solution.